Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Explore page. So let's get started the video. Open your Instagram, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on these three lines, select settings, click on suggested content, then tap on interested. So here, make sure the posts are what you want to explore. Now go back to your explore page. Click on a post that you aren't interested. Click on the three dots and then select not interested. After that, Instagram won't show you similar post. And another thing you can do to reset your Instagram Explore page is just go and like posts that you are actually interested in and engage with them, because the more you do that, the more Instagram will sort of see that you are liking, and it will then go and reset your Instagram Explore page to start showing you more of those content. So literally go through your home page and search for things, or just go even on your explore page and start liking them. So that's how you can fix your Instagram Explorer page. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.